Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are talking about Fourier series formulas. So let's see one by one. What is Fourier series? F of x is equal to a naught divided by 2 plus an cos nx plus bn sin nx, limit n is equal to 1 to infinity. So f of x is equal to f in bracket alpha plus x is a periodic function with period alpha. What is Dirichlet's condition of Fourier series? Let's see for two cases. Case 1 is 0 to 2 pi and case 2 is minus pi to pi. So case 1, here limit is 0 to 2 pi with respect to x. So a formula of a naught is 1 upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. An is equal to 1 upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. Bn is equal to 1 upon pi 0 integration 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. Case 2, minus pi to pi, that limit is minus pi to pi with respect to x. So formula of a naught is 1 upon pi integration of minus pi to pi f of x dx. An is equal to 1 upon pi integration of minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. Bn is equal to 1 upon pi, limit is integration of minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. So here there are some important formulas that we need to understand. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, sin n pi is 0, cos n pi is equal to minus 1 to the power n. Sin minus n pi or sin 2n pi both are 0. Cos minus n pi is equal to minus 1 to the power n, and cos 2n pi is equal to 1. So if there is a limitation to a to b, and we can split in two forms to a to c, f of x dx plus a to b, c to b f of x dx. Change of interval is 0 to L or minus L to L. F of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus an cos n by x by L, limit is n equal to 2 to infinity, plus bn sin n by x divided by L, limitation is n equals to 1 to infinity, where f of x is in interval of 0 to 2L. A naught is equal to 1 upon L 0 to 2L f of x dx. An is equal to 1 upon L 0 to 2L f of x cos n pi x upon L dx. Bn is equal to 1 upon L 0 to 2L f of x sin x n pi x by L dx, minus L to L, limitation interval a naught equal to 1 upon L, limitation minus L to L f of x dx minus L to L f of x dx. An is equal to 1 upon L minus L to L interval f of x cos n pi x upon L dx. Bn is equal to 1 upon L integration of minus L to L f of x sin n pi x by L dx. Let's see even odd function. So if the function is even, is the Fourier series even or odd function. The function is even, then we can put bn is equal to 0, and formula of a naught becomes 2 upon pi limitation 0 to pi f of x dx. Formula of an is equal to 2 upon pi 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. If the function is odd, then a naught and an both are equal to 0, and formula of bn becomes 2 upon pi limitation 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. For limitation minus L to L is L type. Okay, so f of x even a is equal to 0 and a naught is equal to 2 upon L 0 to L f of x dx. N equal to 2 upon L 0 to L f of x cos n pi x upon L dx. If the function is odd in terms of L type, a0 and an is equal to 0, bn becomes 2 upon L integration of 0 to L f of x sine n pi x upon L dx. Modulus of variable, let f of x equal to modulus of x over minus m to m. So we can split the interval and we can say minus x equal to minus m to 0 and x 0 to m. This is half range cosine series type 1 f of x over 0 to pi. F of x equal to a0 by 2 plus integration an cos nx limit n equal to 1 to infinity a0 equal to 2 upon pi 0 to pi f of x dx, an equal to 2 upon pi 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. Type 2 f of x over 0 to L f of x equal to a0 upon 2 plus limit n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x upon L dx. So a0 is 2 upon L 0 to L f of x dx, an equal to 2 upon L 0 to L f of x cos n pi x upon L dx. Let's see half range sine series. F of x over 0 to pi, f of x is equal to bn sine nx, limit is n equal to 1 to infinity, where bn equal to 2 upon pi integration of f of x sine nx dx. If the limit is 0 to L, replace only nx by n by L in these two functions. Thanks for watching.